Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood. We're here in my home garage working on one of my quick little projects. So I have this little Model T that I've been working on quite a while, and I have pretty much all of my patchwork done, and we have a mix of bare metal and old lacquer paint on this car. I want to get stripped down all the bare metal so that we can see if there's any more repairs needed, and then also start on the bodywork to do filler, primer, and then of course paint and clear. So what I'm going to do today is work on stripping some of these panels and show you guys a nice little combination of tools that you can use to strip your car really quickly. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see, I used the SCT with the heavy abrasive drum here that just ate the paint off really quick. It had the primer, old lacquer paint on it, took it right off. And you may have noticed in the shots that I was staying away from kind of some of these edges around here with the SCT. The reason is I found over the years of us offering this tool and using it a ton is that if you get it close to any of these sharp edges on a body, it tends to tear the drum up when you get it turned on. It's kind of the same idea if you get a flap disc or something like that on an edge, it's going to eat up the abrasive. So that happens with these drums as well, and that is something I found decreases the life of the drums considerably, and it can be a pain when you're in the middle of a job to run out of a drum because of that. So what I found is I've kind of used a combination now. I've used one of our little 4.5-inch grinders with a bristle disc. Bristle disc has a nice like plastic bristles on it that work really well for going around the edges. You can get in there, because they kind of move and flex, it will kind of work around some of these sharp edges. You can work right up to the edge of a panel and not have to worry about it cutting and killing the abrasive really quickly. So what I tend to do is use this green one here. There's 3 different grits that are offered, but I like to use this green one. It's one of the more aggressive ones that you can use, and it will strip all this old paint and rust off really quickly. So what I like to do is I'm going to work around all these edges, get all these spots we missed, and we'll have panels that are kind of fresh and ready to start doing body work on. Alright, so that was pretty painless. The 1-2 punch of the Contour SCT with the abrasive drum, and then also the 4.5-inch grinder with the bristle disc allowed me to strip this really quick, and I was able to retain and save the life of the drum without getting near the edges. Now in the last couple shots you saw me come back with the SCT with the finishing drum that comes standard with it. That was just to hit up any little spots that I might have missed in the first rounds, and also just to give a nice brush finish on the whole entire side of the car. And now I can take a look at everything and see if there's any areas that need to be hammered and dollied or repaired before we start doing our final body work and primer. To check out all the products you saw in this video, make sure you click the link down below, and you can visit eastwood.com to get the tools you need to do the job right. Thanks guys.